Wilson Godinho's bail application or anticipatory bail application was fixed today for hearing. But it appears that on behalf of the original complainant, there is an application for intervention that has been filed. It is their case that they as a matter of right can intervene in this anticipatory bail and argue out their case. Now as a matter of principle, the accused hearing, the applicant, that is my client, Mr. Wilson Godinho, is opposing such an intervention on the ground that the prosecution is already there to take care of the interest of the state. So therefore, there need not be any intervention by anyone else. It's a matter of principle and of law that it is only the prosecution or the state that has to do this. They can of course assist the prosecution in the way they are going to argue that case, but they can't address the court on its own. So now the Honorable High Court felt that this matter should be decided, and they have kept it tomorrow for arguments on this intervention as also on the anticipatory bail application.